I'm going to show you in this video how do you go about creating your own custom banner. To do that, we have to start in Google Drive, and we're going to open up a Google Drawing, which is one of the options here on More. And once it pulls up your Google Drawing, you can tell this is not as rectangular as a header should be. So we're going to go and change the page setup to a custom, and our units are going to be pixels, and it's going to be 1600 by 400, and that'll give us that really nice rectangular shape. So now this is what anything we put in this box, this rectangle, will show up on our page. You can start with changing the background colors. You can even add some custom designs with the types of colors that you choose. Probably make something a little bit more colorful for your designs. And then you can put your name in here with word art. You could put your picture in here. You could add images from the internet if you wanted to do clip art on some of your favorite things. And you can really personalize it however you want your banner to be. Now once you've decided exactly what you want your banner to be, hopefully you'll put more time in it than I did, you're going to go to download, and you're going to download it as a JPEG, and it should just pop up, or down I guess, on the bottom of your screen in your Chrome browser. I've clicked links I shouldn't have. So there it is. Here's my untitled drawing. I should have named it first, but it's pulled up when I downloaded it as a JPEG. And now I can go to my Google form and go back to my display settings and change my header to be my own file that I just created, that JPEG. And so now I am not working on a Chromebook today, but you should have something that says like my files, or download something over here that would allow you to find that Google Drawing from your Chromebook, and then we would upload it, and you can rearrange the size, and then when you are done customizing it, click done, and it will change this to be whatever your creation is. So that is how you create a custom header.